In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to install PowerShell for Mac. So let's get started. Now there are two ways to download this, okay? The first is the most cleanest and the best way, and it is using terminal, okay? So let's get started with this method, okay? So just go ahead and open your terminal. And once that is done, you first have to install Homebrew if you don't have it already. Now in my case, I already installed it, but if you want to install it, just use this command and paste it here, and you're gonna follow the instructions and it's automatically gonna install, yeah, without any problem. Now once that is done, what you have to do is the next step is to close the terminal. So just go terminal and click on quit and reopen it, okay? So this is after you've downloaded Homebrew. Now once that is done, we're gonna reopen and paste this command, and this is for downloading PowerShell. So I'm gonna paste that in and click on enter. I'm gonna wait for it to do the work. And as you can see, the latest version is already installed, because in my case it is installed, okay? Then what you can do is you can type in pwsh, and there you go, it shows me my current version of PowerShell, indicating that it's already installed, okay? Now that was the first method. Now the second method is to just go here online and search up Microsoft PowerShell for Mac download and click on the first website. Once you're here, just click on install PowerShell. Just do that, then choose install on Mac, obviously. Okay, then you're gonna install it from this website, okay? As you can see, it also has installed using Homebrew and all that stuff. You can go ahead through this page. You can even download the package pkg right here. So once you download this, then what you can do is you can run this pkg and it should automatically download PowerShell for you. And then all you have to do is go to your terminal and type this command in, pwsh, and when you type that in, you should see that your PowerShell is installed, which is indicated by something like this coming up, okay? And if you want to uninstall PowerShell, you can just go ahead and type this command in, enter, and that should uninstall it. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.